All right, we got it going now. Here we go. We're off to the shop with Grandpa's granddaughters. This is big time for Grandpa. You're on the camera. You guys walk fast. Grandpa's an old man. He can't hardly walk this fast.
I'm walking fairly slow today.
They seem like they're open today.
Morning. You guys sell bubblegum?
We got to get bubblegum.
Yes.
Hey, we need anything else? Oh, no bubblegum. All right. Bless up. You sell bubblegum here?
It's finished.
Uh-oh.
It's finished, darling.
Oh, it's finished.
Oh, it's finished?
Okay, let's go up the road, right out there. So.
Right up to the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Let the daughter, no.
These are my my granddaughters, both of them.
Okay.
Yeah, my granddaughters. They're better looking. They're much better looking than me.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, they might have it at this one here. Or if not this one, the next one. We'll just check them all. You guys sell bubble gum? No bubble gum? Okay, we'll try the next one. Which one do you think's gonna have the bubble gum? The next one? You got bubble gum?
Like this.
How much for it?
$100.
I want the green one. She gets rid of it. Thank you.
You're welcome. 140.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These are my granddaughters.
Okay.
Yeah, my granddaughters. I'm not a bit proud of them though.
They're okay, man.
No, I'm joking. I'm making a joke.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very proud of them. Grandpa's very proud of these young ladies. Are you a young lady, Sky? What? I know Elaine's a young lady.
Walk over the fence.
Guy, you gotta say, be sure and like
Why?
for my YouTube.
So say that for the camera. Look in the camera and say, be sure to like and share. Like when you watch.
And subscribe and leave a comment. You say all that?
Why? Can I just say two things?
Yes.
Make sure to like and share and follow.
Oh. Oh. And what else?
And subscribe.
And make sure you guys subscribe and comment.
Oh, yes. And then go.
Make sure you guys like.
Yeah. Can you do that, Sky? With your thumb?
Make sure you like and comment.
Yes. Very good.